Do you want to blast your properties and contracts out to hundreds of active real estate investors in under a minute? Hey, it's Jimmy Shanahan, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can easily communicate with hundreds of active real estate investors in your area using Realeflow. So let's get to it. First, you're going to go into a property, then click on Power Matching. Click on Community Buyers, and you'll see all your fellow Realeflow users who have buyers matching your property. Click Select All and send a message. Now you can customize the message. To save a lot of time, we've already created a property listing page for you with all the details. Click Send and your property will go out to all the users who are actively buying and selling properties in your area. It's that simple. If you want to learn more about power matching and how you can use it in your business, click the link in the description. Ready to give Realeflow and power matching a try? Visit our 30-day free trial link in the description and get started with your free trial with Realeflow in under 2 minutes. Thanks for stopping by and happy investing.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all things Realeflow.